Congratulations on your new EPB Smart Net Plus service. This upgrade delivers faster, more reliable Wi-Fi, stronger coverage, built-in security, and an easy-to-use companion app that you'll use to set up your Wi-Fi network. Additionally, it also includes features that give you access to parental controls, additional security features, and more. And of course, you still have 24/7, 365 expert local support from the EPB Tech Pros as part of your EPB Smart Net Plus service. In this video, we'll walk through how to install your new router in minutes with just a few simple steps. Once your new SmartNet Plus router is powered up, watch part 2 to see how to use the Plume Home app to complete self-installation. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the box and remove the router, power adapter, and included Ethernet cable. You won't need the new Ethernet cable as long as the one plugged into your old router is still functioning and has no fraying. If you received more than one router, designate one to serve as your main gateway. You'll use the others as Wi-Fi access points to extend coverage in your home. Later in this video, we'll cover where to place these extenders. Homes under 2,500 square feet typically don't need extenders. On the back, you'll see the main power port, a blue port for your main internet connection, and yellow ports for wired devices. Set everything aside for now. Step 2. Before unplugging your old router, make sure you write down your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and password. Later in the setup process, you'll be prompted to create your Wi-Fi network and password. If you use the same name and password you had for your old router, all of your devices should connect automatically after you finish setting up your new router. If you choose to create a new name and password, you will have to manually reconnect devices like laptops and tablets, smart TVs, and other smart devices in your home. You may want to pause the video here so you can locate and write down your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 3. You're ready to reset and disconnect. Reset the old router to the factory settings to erase any personal data. On the back of the router, below the power port, you will see the word Reset next to a red circle around a recessed button. Use a thin object like a paperclip to depress the button and hold for 30 seconds. Then release and give the router 2 minutes to reboot. Then, unplug your old router from the power source and disconnect the Ethernet cable from the back of the router. Leave the other end plugged into the wall. Step 4. Now connect your new router. Plug your new power adapter into the black port on the back of the router and the other end into the wall outlet. Then plug your Ethernet cable into the blue 2.5G WAN port. If you would like to connect other devices to your router for a faster connection than Wi-Fi can deliver, like gaming consoles, you can plug them directly into the yellow LAN ports. Step 5. After plugging in the router, the power light will turn solid after about 10 seconds. The WAN and internet lights will start blinking. When the internet light turns solid, your router is ready. This can take up to 3 minutes. If you received one router, you're good to go to the next video to finish setup. Step 6. If you have additional Wi-Fi extenders, take a moment now to place them around your home. Plug the power adapter into the black power port on the back of the device and a wall outlet, like you did for your main router. Extenders do not need an Ethernet connection. A good rule of thumb is to place your main router and extenders about 25 feet apart for optimal coverage throughout your home. Once you move on to part 2 of setting up your Wi-Fi network in the Plume Home app, any extenders you have will automatically join your network. One important note about your old router: do not throw it away in the trash. Electronic waste, like routers, may contain materials that are harmful to the environment. You can dispose of your old router by taking it to an e-waste recycler like Best Buy, Office Depot, or Staples. Or you may return it to an EPB service center in Hickson or Brainerd. If you have any questions or issues, you can call or text the EPB Tech Pros at 423-531-1900. We're available 24/7, 365. When you're ready, head to part 2 to finish setup using the Plume Home app.